Second one of the day. Harley. I don't know what these are. I think they're Fatbob. Lovely bikes. Nice sitting position. The problem is these wheels, oh, they're rubbish. They put no lacquer on them. So that is rough, like sandpaper. Banjo bolts. Chrome. God, what's happened here? Looks like something stained it. Engine's not too bad. Bit of rust on there. Bit of pitting. This is the hard part, is this. Ooh. Best to take them off, have them blasted and give them a nice coating of gloss black, powder coated. Be a lot easier to take care of. Oh. I have to sand those before I polish them. Anyway, let's get cracking. Harley Fatbob just finished. Oh goodness. Needs to take some polishing. I don't know what he had done to these heads, but they were black, tarnished. Polished up all the chrome, all the motor. Managed to get these wheels up pretty good. You have to lightly sand them. Sand them, polish them. I can't get inside there. Best job is to powder coat those wheels. Come up much better than they were. Chrome's all nice. Polished, ACF 50'd. Mirror polished all these yokes back up. Signals, painted the fork legs where they were chipped, marked. All the yokes here, still got a bit of polishing left. Much better.